Ah yes, you just built your new gaming PC, but you need a monitor and you don't have a lot of money to spare. Let's see if this $100 model from AOPEN is even worth it. One of the things I always notice with people when they have these really crazy, nice gaming systems is they're usually playing on an old, leftover, throwaway monitor that they may have got it from work or they bought with their HP special from Walmart years ago, something that is not a gaming monitor. This right here should give you a little bit of those gaming monitor features at a budget. But the big thing is that this model is 75 Hertz compared to most monitors that are 60. Now, someone who regularly games on a 144 Hertz monitor, I do have to say that the biggest jump that I noticed initially was going from 60 to 75 versus 75 to even higher frame rates. So basically what I'm gonna do for you guys, man, because I do this all for you, I'm gonna sacrifice myself. I'm gonna open this up, put it together, spend a lot of time gaming. Then I'm gonna come back and let you know what I think on the other end. Y'all stay tuned. So this is a budget monitor, and with that, we're gonna put a budget on our expectations. Spec-wise, it's 24-inch with an IPS panel and a reported 250 nits of brightness. Out of the box, you simply get the power brick and cord with an HDMI cable, so that's good. The stand is not just basic, but basic. If you thought it would do anything but hold the monitor up, then your expectations far exceed your budget. Just get a VESA arm. As for input, it's great that it does come with an HDMI cable, as there are only options for HDMI and VGA. On the front, the power button and menu controls are on the right side. There are a number of picture profiles and options to choose from, but for the sake of this video, I kept everything as stock. I don't particularly care to use the menu as the buttons are awfully close together and can make for pressing the wrong thing. Speaking of things I don't care to use, the built-in speakers. Just pick up something like this for cheap or get some headphones. Now to test this, I tortured myself by gaming and gaming and gaming. Let's talk about my sacrifice. Take them out. Got them. Y'all see me? You see what it is? It's like work. Got them. Got them. That's all your boy right there. Y'all see what that is, man? It's light work. All right, man, let's talk about this $100 monitor. And I'm gonna keep on saying that because I think the price here is really relevant to what you should be expecting if you were to pick one of these up. If you're looking for high resolution, 10-bit accurate colors, then you're really in a whole different situation. At $100, you're getting a nice size at 24-inch. You're getting the ability to have an IPS panel, so your viewing angles are actually reasonably good wherever you're looking at this from when you're sitting in front of it. Also, you're getting the ability to switch from 60 Hertz to 75 Hertz. Now, that's not a massive jump, but when it comes to gaming and smoothness, specifically with first-person shooters, that's one of the biggest leaps that you can make. For the price, that's a good way to get into higher frame rate gaming. And if you want more, you didn't put a real big dent in your pocket. You can either sell this or gift it to another gamer who still using a potato monitor and go get you a really nice monitor with all the features. Now I'm gonna keep it 100%. I mainly gamed on this using the build back here. I just released a video on that. If you didn't watch that, man, go ahead and check the link for it. I'll leave it down in the description. But with this PC, I have the Ryzen 5600 and the RX 5700 XT. I mean, that's able to push 1080p high resolution at really high frame rates. So for a 75 Hertz monitor, you're really getting the maximum performance that you could get, and it's really an enjoyable experience. Now for me, this monitor is definitely for the new gamer. Maybe you bought like a Dell Optiplex and they threw in the workstation monitor that came with it. It's probably either 30 Hertz or most likely 60 Hertz. You're gonna want that advanced so you can actually get the experience of joining the PC master race with your gaming. Now I already said this, but the speakers, don't use it, man. Pick up something like these Creative Pebbles. Just don't do it. Don't use the speakers on this monitor, get you some headphones, anything, that'll be a better buy. But overall, to wrap it up, I'm actually happy to see that you can get some quality on the budget end when it comes to monitors, because we know these things can get really expensive. But if you don't have all of that, you can check out something like this from AOPEN and see what's good. Y'all let me know what monitor you're currently using, what's the resolution, what specs, and what would you like to jump to? What would be your dream scenario? Do you want 3 super ultra wides? Do you want 4K, 8K? What would it be, man? I'd love to know down below in the comments. I'm gonna get up out of here. If you want to check this out, there will be a link in the description. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and never forget to holla at your boy.